How to add date picker to your Shopify product page. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, Shopify itself does not offer this option, and obviously what I'm referring to is basically when people are trying to buy a specific product that you have, you can enable a date picker so they can also select which date they actually want the product in. Now, to enable this, like I said, Shopify itself does not offer this option, so we would want to go to a third-party application. So just go in and log into your Shopify admin, go to apps, add apps, Shopify App Store, and you want to basically search for date picker. Now there's going to be a lot of different apps that are going to be doing this for you, but in my case I'm just going to be using this Stellar Delivery Date and Pickup app. Now you can actually view the pricing options that they are available. If you don't like this one, you can just go ahead and try out another one. As I said, there's a lot of different apps that are going to offer pretty much the same idea. So I'm just going to go for this one, click on install on it, and then I'm just going to obviously continue on with the installation process here, and then we can, go into the setup. So click on install one more time, and then we can just go ahead and exit out of these two pages because we don't need them anymore. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay. Now we can just begin our setup and set up the delivery date picker. So I actually had to go with Flare app instead because that one just did not work for me. So here we can just go ahead and set up our Flare. So just go ahead and take your time with the setup real quick, and once that's done, we can just set up the actual date picker. Okay, so right away after you complete the name and role and everything, you can just go ahead and start installing the widget. So the first thing and most importantly here is the date picker. So you click on install on product page, and it's just going to take us to the app embed section where we can just go in, not app embed, sorry, the customization section where we can actually install it right over here, and click on got it, and you can actually see it here. And you can even move it upwards if you like. So let's just go ahead and make it right underneath the buy it now option. Like that. And by default is going to be as soon as possible, but obviously people will be able to change the date. Click on save regardless, and just click on the exit button, and we can just move on to install the other one, which is cart date picker. This is going to be for the cart one. So just go and click on install. And same thing goes here. Just wait for it to load, and once it actually is loading here, as we can see, click on save, and if you want to move it around, you can also feel free to do so. Again, just go ahead and exit out of here, click on continue. Now here, configuring the calendar, you can also feel free to take your time with this. There are going to be a lot of settings here, like how early can customers schedule a delivery ahead of time. And also the other one, which is how far ahead can customers schedule deliveries ahead of time. So this is completely going to be up to you. And also if you want to add blocked dates, you can also do so from here. Once that's done, go ahead and click on continue. Same goes for the rest of these settings. You just want to customize them to your special needs, for your specific needs that you have for your store. Each one is going to be a little bit different. You want to actually read those and continue on. And then you would want to enable them on specific products. And that's just pretty much it. You have your date picker ready to go. So let's just go and wait for this to load and show you. So here you would want to just go in and select the products that you want to enable it on. And we are pretty much set. Click on continue and pick the proper plan that you want to go with. So as you can see now that every setup is done, we can actually see and add the date picker. As we can see, it is available here. It's just loading a little bit, so let's wait on it a little bit, but it should be working extremely well. Let's just try to reload the page real quick. Okay, and we can just go in and go for the date picker, and because we set up 5 days prior notice, we can't really book any of those days. We can just go for the 22nd, and now it's actually going to be available. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.